Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can get verified on SoundCloud. So it's a very simple process. All you have to do is just simply go to your browser and log into your SoundCloud profile. Then just simply click on the three dots over here. Then go to settings. Now just simply scroll down and click on request verification. Just simply click on that. Then enter your name over here. Then add additional link over here. I would suggest you to add 5 links. So just simply click on add link 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now over here you can add all of the links to your social media profile or any web page where you can just simply prove your online presence. As you can see over here, the only thing that you can put over here is some additional links to article pages or social profiles for the SoundCloud members to review your online presence. So after you enter your links over here, just simply click on submit, and within few days, if your review is successful, you will get verified. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.